Hi there, this is Jessica with My Girlfriend's Quilt Shop. Today we're going to be talking about the proper needles for your serger. So Baby Lock has made it super easy for you. They have it already printed in the machine. So let's take a look. Inside your machine, if you open the door, it has the proper needles that they prefer for this particular machine. So I'm also going to show you how to take out a needle and put a needle in. So in our nifty little tool holder, we're going to pull out our screwdriver, and we are going to put the foot down as well. We're going to take the right needle out, so lefty-loosey to take it out. One important thing to remember when you're taking out the needle, you're also going to want to tighten that screw back up, because in motion, that screw could potentially wiggle its way out and be lost down inside your machine. So as you can see over here with needle number 1, I'm going to point with the screwdriver. You can tell that the needle is in proper position because you can see the top of it. So once you put your needle all the way in and you can see the top of it, you can go ahead and tighten the needle so that it's in its position and you can go ahead and thread it.